Acumatica's Cloud ERP provides best-in-class accounts payable management for small and mid-sized businesses across a wide range of industries and geographic locations. Tailor the system to match your company's internal business process flow, improve organizational efficiency with accounts payable automation, and maintain lasting vendor relationships with timely and accurate payments. Process AP bills manually, importing EDI transactions, or through Acumatica's AP automation. Engage approval workflows to validate, authorize, and prioritize bills for payment. Gain a 360-degree view with comprehensive dashboards, reports, and inquiries, and pay vendors with paper checks or electronically using standard industry file formats. Bolster efficiency with pre-configured payable settings for document numbering, posting options, vendor class, intercompany accounts, foreign currency transactions, discounts, and more. Vendor classes provide default settings for AP transactions, such as credit terms, payment methods, cash accounts, general ledger accounts, print and email preferences, and more. Apply credit terms to vendor bills to calculate net and discount payment periods, discount amounts, installment schedules, or calculate prepayments on sales orders. Take advantage of volume and promotional discounts offered by vendors based on the item price class, vendor location, or combination of the item and location. Control costs by utilizing vendor prices and price worksheets for vendors that provide the same inventory items. Define the payment methods used to pay your vendors, such as cash, check, credit card, and EFT payments. Comply with U.S. 1099 and Canadian T5018 statutory reporting requirements. Create purchase orders, invoices, memos, and payments in the vendor's preferred currency. Quickly create purchase orders with intelligent type-ahead features and default settings. Access side panels for invoices and memos, vendor details, preferred vendor items, and visibility into purchase order receipt lines without leaving purchase order entry. Process vendor invoice bills, modify vendor balances with debit and credit adjustments, or create prepayments for purchase orders that require a deposit. Improve productivity by using deferral codes to reallocate lump sum expenses to their respective periods, such as annual real estate tax bills, insurance, and more. Engage Acumatica's artificial intelligence and machine learning to train the system to parse vendor PDF invoices and automatically create AP bills in the system. You can process vendor PDF invoices directly from Outlook with the Outlook add-in, or use the incoming document screen to dynamically process vendor invoices. Comply with internal control procedures using approval maps to route bills to the proper individuals for approval. Maintain balanced financial statements with inter-branch account maps for transactions that involve multiple related parties, such as processing an electrical bill in one company that covers usage for other related entities. Gain economies of scale with Acumatica's shared vendor architecture, eliminating the need to maintain duplicate vendor files for companies doing business with the same vendor. When necessary, you can restrict vendors from use in a certain company. Establish substitute payment relationships with vendor accounts. Direct payments to parent accounts on behalf of related party subsidiary invoices, and more. Use recurring transaction templates to create recurring bills, credits, adjustments, and prepayments dynamically. Improve data accuracy and efficiency, and eliminate numerous general journals to correct posting errors made to the wrong account with Acumatica's Reclassified Transactions feature. Reduce compliance risks with Acumatica's artificial intelligence and machine learning. Train Acumatica to understand normal transaction patterns and surface transactions outside the norm that require investigation. Thrill vendors with on-time payments and minimize supply interruptions and avoid disputes. With Acumatica's checks and payments, you can enforce transaction approvals prior to payment, pay vendors individually or prepare bulk pay runs, and pay vendors with different media types, including paper checks or electronic file formats for the US, Canada, the UK, and more. Role-based dashboards help payable personnel and finance managers to manage by exception with real-time metrics and key performance indicators and optimize cash flows. Empower your organization to tailor the system with advanced partner applications such as Advanced Reporting, Budgeting, and Data Analysis by Velixo, Accounts Payable Automation and Payment Security from Trailed, and EDI Transaction Processing from SPS Commerce. Acumatica's powerful Accounts Payable application empowers companies to boost efficiency and profitability, strengthen vendor relationships with timely payments, and safeguard financial information and assets through advanced anomaly detection. Contact us today for a personalized demonstration.